In this lecture, we shall learn about 1. What is fuel? 2. Classification of fuels. 3. Characteristics of good fuel. 4. Definitions of calorific value, gross calorific value and net calorific value. 5. Usage of Bomb and Boys calorimeter.
Good evening, Mom.
Good evening, Rahul. How was your day?
It was boring, Mom. We had a surprise test of engineering chemistry in class.
Then what? You did well, didn't you?
No, Mom. I could not learn the lessons we do in our class. I had thought of revising them, all near midterm exams.
Well, that was a silly idea.
No, Mom. Many students do the same. I cannot get regular time to learn my daily lessons.
That's unfair if you ignore the importance of daily learning. The concepts remain fresh in your mind if you revise them at home.
Then I must learn them all again near exams.
That's a plus point. You will have another opportunity to clarify and revive your concepts. It will get you more marks in exams.
I do wish to get good marks in my final exams.
Then you must devote some of your daily time to study at home.
Mom, I also find it difficult to understand the chapter, fuels, which constituted the major part of the test.
It's not at all difficult, my son. Anyways, go and freshen up. I shall teach you that chapter.
That's a good idea, Mom. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Had your snacks, Rahul?
Yes, Mom. Pakodas were so delicious. Thank you, Mom.
I am flattered. Now let us go back to business. Did you bring your study material?
Yes, Mom. These are the notes and PowerPoint presentation given by Dr. Sheikh in the class.
Well, great. Let us start. Would you care to tell me definition of fuel?
A fuel is the substance which on combustion produces a large amount of heat. Or, alternatively, fuel is also defined as a carbonaceous combustible substance, which on combustion liberates a large amount of energy in the form of heat.
Great, well done, my son.
Mom, would you like to shed light on classification of fuels?
Yes, I will. Fuels on the basis of occurrence are classified as primary and secondary fuels. Primary fuels occur in nature and are used without processing. On the other hand, secondary fuels are obtained by chemical processing of primary fuels. Whereas, on the basis of physical state, fuels are classified as solid, liquid and gaseous fuels.
Will you explain characteristics of good fuel?
Sure. 1. A good fuel should possess high calorific value. 2. It should have proper ignition temperature. The ignition temperature of the fuel should neither be too low nor too high. 3. It should not produce poisonous products during combustion. In other words, it should not cause pollution or combustion. 4. It should have moderate rate of combustion. 5. Combustion should be easily controllable. That is, combustion of fuel should be easy to start or stop as and when required.
Thanks, Mom. Even I can recall few, may I add.
Please, be my guest.
6. It should not leave behind much ash on combustion. 7. It should be easily available in plenty. 8. It should have low moisture content. 9. It should be cheap. And 10. It should be easy to handle and transport.
Well done, my boy. I am proud of you.
Mom, now I want to get clarification on few definitions, such as calorific value, gross calorific value, that is GCV, and net calorific value, that is NCV.
Sure, I will. Calorific value is defined as the amount of heat obtained on complete combustion of unit mass of a solid or liquid fuel, or unit volume of a gaseous fuel at STP. There are 2 types of calorific values. 1. Gross calorific value, that is GCV, and 2. Net calorific value, that is NCV.
Will you explain GCV and NCV?
Gross calorific value of a fuel can be defined as the total amount of heat obtained on complete combustion of unit mass of a solid or liquid fuel, or unit volume of a gaseous fuel, at SDP and on cooling the products of combustion to 15 degrees Celsius. The gross calorific value is also called as higher calorific value. The GCV is of only theoretical importance. Net calorific value is defined as the amount of heat obtained practically on complete combustion of unit mass of solid or liquid fuel or unit volume of a gaseous fuel at SDP, and the products of combustion are allowed to escape with some heat. NCV is also called as lower calorific value.
Thanks. That was great. Would you like to comment on bomb calorimeter and boys calorimeter?
Yes. Bomb calorimeter is used for measuring calorific value of solid and liquid fuels, whereas boys calorimeter for gaseous fuels.
Mom, thanks for helping in my studies. I guess we shall stop now. Rest can be seen tomorrow.
Sure. Even I should start dinner preparations. Your dad must be reaching home.
Thank you, Mom.